Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to transition your 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat from harness to Highback booster mode. First, you need to store the harness system. Loosen the shoulder straps as much as possible by lifting up on the harness release lever and pulling out the harness straps. Raise the headrest to the highest position and unbuckle the chest clip and the buckle strap. Now, rotate the cup holders out and then pull the lever on the front of the seatbelt trainer to lift and remove it from the car seat and set aside. Lift the seat pad to expose the plastic shell and move the buckle inside the slot in the car seat shell. Lift the headrest pad flap out of the way. Undo the snap on the top corner of the backrest pad and move fabric aside. Open the harness storage door and place the harness, chest clip, and buckle tongues inside. Then close the door. Replace the seat pads by re-snapping the backrest pad and replacing the seat pad. Reinstall the seatbelt trainer if using. Move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Ensure the seat is in recline position 6. Now your car seat is in Highback booster mode.